Hey guys, it's Mason here. So I had a lot of people in my last video wondering how can I get macros on a different mouse. So here's a different mouse / my new amazing mouse that is actually kind of dirty right now, but it's fine because I got a toothbrush and I clean it with a toothbrush. Yes, it was clean, okay? It was clean. It was a clean, perfect toothbrush. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, my new mouse, a glorious Model O. As you can see, the software is already open. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to go to macro editor. You're going to make a macro. I'm just going to delete that. So pretend that this is your macro and start recording. Boom, boom. You see that? All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put that at 40. Put it at 40, sure. Alright, so now that you got it at 40, close out of it. Make whatever button you want to hold down and be your macro. I'm going to put mine as 4, even though I'm not going to keep this. But click on the macro, close out of that, go into Fortnite, go into a creative, because why not? Go into that. 165 hertz monitor, by the way. So there's a lot of stuff that I have not told you guys about. I got, obviously, a new mouse. I got, obviously, a new mouse pad. I got a new monitor. I want to get a new monitor so badly. Because, yes, it's capped at 165. It's not a 165 hertz monitor. I was supposed to get a 165 hertz monitor, but I don't know what happened. So, that is not what I meant to go into. Anyway, when you get in here, if you click that button, you should see it says unable to build edit, or unable to edit building, if you want to be exactly correct. But when you get in here, you're gonna see that you can edit like a macro and all that. So I'm not used to macros at all. I don't really care for them. I don't really like them. But I mean, hey, if you like it, cool. Me on the other hand, nah, I'm good. But yeah. So that's that. That's all there is to this video. This is a short and quick video. I'm sorry about the last one. A lot of you guys were confused. And I have not been on YouTube. I've been on Twitch. Twitch TV, FN Goats, all capitals with 3 Z's. I'll leave a link to it in the description. But I'm very sorry I have not been on YouTube. I know. Mason, you were just growing your channel back. You had 78 subscribers or something like that. Yes, I know I have done that, but YouTube was kind of getting boring. There wasn't really much people looking at the live streams that I did. Like, you gotta be a very well-known person to get good live streams on YouTube. And I am just not that person. So, what do? I go to Twitch, where it is a lot easier to get views and all that. And I get the most I've gotten at one point on a live stream was when I got rated by I forget his name. He's a TikToker. That's all I know. He's a TikToker. I think it's Meow. I don't know his name. I don't know his name. But I got rated by him, and there was like 300 people in my chat just spamming. Like, all different people just spamming. It went for at least a good 15 minutes. And my videos actually get like 40 to 45 views while live streaming. And it's so much easier moving to Twitch. It's a lot more difficult moving to Twitch, actually, though. It's harder setup. It's harder to get your setup how you want it. Obviously, you guys can see mine isn't perfect at all because it's covering up half the freaking screen. But it's fine. It's how I like it. It's how my Twitch viewers like it. It doesn't look like that in game. I don't know why the frick it looks like that. But it doesn't look like that in game. So, yeah. Like, I mean, I could have it like that. Like, if God knows why anybody would want it like that, but some people do. So, yeah, that's that. I kind of just fixed that issue. So, anyway, yeah. What I'm going to tell you is please do not macro. Please do not macro in an online game. If you do and you kill somebody and they report you, chances are 98% positive you're probably gonna get banned. No, not probably. You will get banned. And I know this just sounds stupid because it's a game. But you know what else is stupid? How people spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on this game that we all love, even if you hate it. If you hate it, you're probably one of the kids that sits on Rainbow Six Siege 24/7 in your mom's basement. No hate to you, but you're probably a kid that's like, that game's gay. That game sucks. But you know, that's your issue. Because you sit on one game, you don't try any other game. That's what your issue is, not ours. So don't get mad because we play a game that's meant for all kinds of ages. Don't get mad because us too have other games. Now, I don't have many, even though I have a lot of freaking hard drive space. I mean, like, look at that. Uh, 3 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 500 gig, 500 gig, 256, and a 120 megabyte USB dock. Don't get mad. We got stuff too. But, yeah, people spend thousands and thousands of dollars on this game. I don't know why. All I'm saying is please do not macro on in a real game unless you want to get banned. That's all I'm saying. You can, it's all up to you, but that would not be me. So, with that being said, oh, I messed that up. Why am I? Oh, okay, I see what's happening here. It didn't place my cone. Yeah, so anyway, just please don't do that. And I'm sorry, I said this video was supposed to be short. It was supposed to be short, but then it was me ranting. But I'll let you guys get on your way. Hope you guys liked the video. As always, check out my Twitch, like, share, subscribe, and comment if this video helped you at all. And if it did, I might make more of them with different mice. I might go out and buy more mice and show you guys how to do macros on those. But, as always, just chill and don't be overwhelmed out there right now because there are some tough times.